Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Vivo X300 Pro and the Xiaomi 17 Pro. These two powerhouses bring insane display tech, beastly cameras, and flagship processors to the table. But who truly dominates in screen quality, camera performance, battery life, and special features? Will the Vivo's ultra-bright 4500 nits display outshine Xiaomi's vibrant secondary screen? Can Xiaomi's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip leave the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 in the dust? And what about their mind-blowing camera zoom and AI capabilities? Stick around because we're diving deep into specs that matter. And here's the kicker. Which phone offers the real flagship experience without compromise? Let's find out. Starting with the display, the Vivo X300 Pro boasts a larger 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with an astonishing peak brightness of 4500 nits and Dolby Vision support, making it incredibly vivid and perfect for bright outdoor viewing. In contrast, Xiaomi 17 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED is slightly smaller but packs a unique punch with a secondary 2.7-inch rear display featuring dragon crystal glass, adding a fresh twist to multitasking and notifications. Vivo's display wins for sheer brightness and immersive viewing, critical for media lovers. Under the hood, Xiaomi 17 Pro flexes the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with a blistering CPU clock speed up to 4.61 GHz and Adreno 840 GPU, promising top-tier gaming and multitasking. Vivo X300 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, also a 3nm chip, but with slightly lower CPU clocks. Xiaomi's platform edges ahead for raw performance and efficiency, ideal for power users craving speed. When it comes to special features, Vivo X300 Pro impresses with its V1 imaging chip, advanced computational photography V3+, and a telephoto teleconverter kit for extended zoom versatility. Meanwhile, Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with ultra-wideband UWB support for precise device tracking, AI real-time translation, and a vapor chamber cooling system that keeps the phone cool under pressure. Both pack killer extras, but Vivo's imaging tech and telephoto extension give it a creative edge. In cameras, Vivo X300 Pro sports a versatile triple setup highlighted by a 50-megapixel wide lens with OIS and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto offering 3.7x optical zoom, balancing detail and zoom power. Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with a 50-megapixel wide and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens boasting a stronger 5x optical zoom, catering to zoom enthusiasts who want to capture distant subjects with clarity. Xiaomi's zoom capability steals the spotlight here. Looking closer at camera features, Vivo brings Zeiss T back. Battery capacity favors the Vivo X300 Pro with a slightly larger 6510 mAh cell compared to Xiaomi 17 Pro's 6300 mAh, promising longer endurance for heavy users. This extra juice could be a game-changer for those who push their phones all day. Both phones flaunt premium builds with glass fronts and backs framed by aluminum. Vivo uses standard glass, while Xiaomi employs dragon crystal glass on the front and a fiberglass back, potentially offering better durability and a unique texture. Xiaomi's innovative materials give it a subtle edge in feel and resilience. Durability is no joke here. Vivo X300 Pro offers IP68, IP69 certification, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, while Xiaomi 17 Pro holds IP60 certification without the IP69 rating. Vivo's extra water resistance might be crucial for rugged users. Memory options are generous on both sides, but Vivo X300 Pro offers up to 1 TB storage with up to 16 GB RAM, matching Xiaomi's top-tier configurations. However, Xiaomi provides a 512GB 12GB RAM variant, giving more flexibility for mid-tier users. Both deliver flagship-level memory setups.